Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 21 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 21a says diagonals AC and BD of a square ABCD intersect at P. Coordinates of the points B and D are 9, -2 and 1, 6 respectively. The first part of the question is find the coordinates of the point P. In a square, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, P is the midpoint of the diagonal BD. So we can use the midpoint formula to get the coordinates of the point P. P of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 9 plus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which is 6 minus 2 upon 2, which gives us 5 comma 2. Therefore, the coordinates of P are 5 comma 2. The second part of the question says find the length of the side of the square. The length of the diagonal is given by a root 2, where a is the side of the square, which is also equal to BD. We can use the distance formula to get the length BD, which is square root of 1 minus 9 the whole square plus 6 minus 2 the whole square. A root 2 is equal to 8 root 2. Comparing the left hand side and right hand side, we get A as 8. Therefore, the side length of the square is 8 units. The B part of the question says find the coordinates of a point on the line x plus y equal to 5, which is equidistant from 6, 4 and 5, 2. Let P be the point on the line x plus y equal to 5. For every x, y is equal to 5 minus x. Therefore, the coordinates of P are x, 5 minus x. This point P is equidistant from 6, 4 and 5, 2. Let A be taken as 6, 4 and B be 5, 2, which means the length PA will be equal to the length PB. PA is square root of 6 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus 5 minus x the whole square, which is equal to PB is written as square root of 5 minus x the whole square plus 2 minus 5 minus x the whole square. Squaring on both sides, we get 6 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus 5 plus x the whole square, which is equal to 5 minus x the whole square plus 2 minus 5 plus x the whole square. Expanding the terms on both the sides, we get 36 plus x square minus 12x plus x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 25 plus x square minus 10x plus x square plus 9 minus 6x. The x squared terms gets cancelled. Taking all the x terms on one side, we get minus 12x minus 2x plus 10x plus 6x. And taking all the constants on the other side, we have 25 plus 9 minus 37, which gives us 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. The y coordinate of P is given by 5 minus x. Substituting x here, we get 13 upon 2. Therefore, the coordinates of the point P are minus 3 by 2, 13 by 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.